Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to choose a payment provider for your Wix e-commerce store. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your payment options, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to link up the perfect provider to make sure you never miss out on a sale. So let's dive in. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. You'll need to start here. And if you ever find yourself unsure which dashboard screen you're on, just double-check for your site's name at the top. That way you know you're in the right place. Once you're in, look towards the left side of the screen. Here is where Wix keeps all the key controls for your site. What you're looking for is Settings. It's right near the bottom left corner. Go ahead and click that. Taking a moment here, the Settings section is actually the command center for your entire site. This is where you'll tweak business info, shipping, taxes, and yes, payments. So, if you ever need to make changes down the road, you'll always come back here. Now, inside Settings, look for the Accept Payments option. Clicking this brings you straight to the area where you'll configure how customers pay you. Wix tries to make this part simple, but let's take a deeper look together. Right off the bat, you'll see options like PayPal and manual payments. PayPal is an industry standard, widely trusted by shoppers all around the world. Manual payments, on the other hand, are for things like cash on delivery or direct bank transfers. Great if some of your local customers prefer paying offline or want something straightforward. But maybe you want even more flexibility to fit your business, or you need a provider that's popular in a specific region. To see more options, look for the See More Payment Options button. This one is easy to miss, but it's super important. Clicking it opens up the wider world of Wix's payment partners. Here, you'll find providers like HitPay, Payment Wall, Online Payments by Zendit, and DragonPay. These are especially helpful if you're targeting certain countries or want features tailored to your business model. For example, HitPay is great for Southeast Asian businesses, while Payment Wall offers global reach with plenty of local integrations. Take a minute to read about each provider. Sometimes it helps to jot down the features you need most. Are you looking for low transaction fees, advanced fraud protection, or a seamless checkout experience? Making a list can reduce overwhelm and help you feel confident in your choice. Once you've decided, just click Connect next to your chosen provider. Don't worry if you're not totally sure yet. You can always change or add more payment methods later as your business grows. After you click Connect, Wix will prompt you to fill in the account information for your payment provider. This usually includes things like your merchant ID, API keys, or other credentials, depending on what the provider requires. Take your time here. Double-checking this info can save you headaches later. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support or leave a comment below. And that's all there is to it. Your payment provider is now set up, and your store is ready to take payments, giving your customers the flexibility they deserve and helping your business thrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow e-commerce walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.